Hi crafty friends, so we're back today to share the next few days in our Stamps by Me Advent Calendar. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And I'm looking for number 6. Isn't this such a treat? Lovely, lovely box. I really do love the attention to detail. Wonder what it is. You can't guess because it's in a box. Let's have a peep and see. Lovely big box. Oh wow, 2 dies. These are the little photo strips of hearts and rectangles. Aren't they lovely? I hope you can see through here. Beautiful. So you can make little Polaroid strips from those. Fantastic. Just set them at the side. So that was number 6. Now, down in this corner down here is number 7. And it's a tiny one. Oh, maybe something like beads or something. Nice rattly sound. Oh, I love these iridescent flat back gems. And aren't they lovely? So sparkly. And really, for lots of different projects you could use these. Lots of blues and purples. Excellent for winter or under the sea. And look at the size of this little box. It's amazing how many gems you actually can fit inside. Wow, that was a lovely box. Loved that. Next up is number 8. And it's a lovely shade. Let's see what's in this one. Another big box. Oh, something shiny. Wow. Oh, it's a tea light. A little wax spoon for melting wax. And we actually had some pellets earlier. It's a lovely shade, isn't it? The golden pink. And beautiful golden pink wax candles to melt as well. I actually have tried these wax sticks from Crafter's Companion before, but we found them not as successful as the little pellets. But that was just our finding, and we wanted to share that. They were really not great for us to use. Isn't that a lovely little box of goodies? And next, we're looking for number 9. Where are you, number 9? It could be a word or a digit. 9. And it's a word. A beautiful font as well, isn't it? And it's a nice box, different size box again. Ooh! Wow! It really is a wow. Isn't this beautiful? It's embossing powder and the colour. Let's see what the colour of this is. Honeydew. And it's a beautiful turquoise green. Absolutely stunning. That's a nice treat, isn't it? So everything so far we definitely will be able to put to great crafty use. And 9, and it's back to a digit, number 10. Oh, light as a feather. Could be a little feather in it, couldn't it? Let's see. Trying carefully not to. Here we go. And oh, it's a mini die set, little tags. There we are, 3 gorgeous little dies. Fantastic. So if you would like to see what's in the rest of these boxes, you can like the video, you can subscribe, and you can ring the little bell as a reminder for when we'll be posting. That's it for today, folks. So from the Crafty Seas, happy crafting!